See, I know you're probably thinking that there's only one way to have a hair transplant, and most clinics will want you to think this because they only know one technique or have one type of machine. See, the reality is that there are multiple techniques, and some are more appropriate or beneficial in whatever your particular scenario is. So, for example, there is FUT or a strip procedure, and this might be beneficial in someone who doesn't want to shave the entire back of the head or has poor or limited donor availability. And there's, of course, FUE, where you extract the hair follicles one at a time. And there's even long hair FUE, where you can extract hairs in the long state. And let's not forget body hair transplantation, but that's a whole other conversation altogether. So make sure you know your options and choose one that is right for you.